Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table in Affinity Publisher with different columns. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make table in different column. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Now we can see here show the all page at once. Then we go to a page, then select the table tools, otherwise press T on our keyboard, then draw a table. Now we want to make this table columns defined. First we select the first column, click and drag on our mouse, then enable the tables option and we can see here the fill color. Now I select the cell fill and apply any color, then select the another cell and apply another color, then again select the another cell and apply another color, then click outside of the table, then close the panel, then select the move tool. Now we can see we make a table with different columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.